Hey lovelies, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome, glad to have you. And if you're not new, welcome back, as I said earlier. Okay, so anyways, we're going outside to hit the grill one more time, honey, before the summer is over. And as you can see, I made some tender, delicious baby-back pork ribs. And if you think they're looking absolutely good right now, definitely hit that likes button and subscribe if you haven't already, and check it out. Let's see how I made this yummy baby back ribs on the grill. So first I started off with some freshly cleaned pork ribs. Okay, it's clean, the membrane is stripped off, and it's washed with vinegar and water. It's all ready. I patted it dry with some paper towel. So right now, as you can see, I got two pieces here. One is bigger than the other, and I'm just going in with some honey mustard. And as usual, the honey mustard is for no particular flavor, but it's just gonna help as a base for the seasoning to stick on. And then I went in with my good old Walker's Wood jerk sauce. You know, I can't do without that. And then I went in with a blend of green herb seasoning that has onions, leeks, garlic, ginger, thyme, you name it. All the good herb seasonings are in that green seasoning, okay? And then we're just gonna rub that onto the meat. I'm just gonna massage it in real good. And once it's all over, you get it all over the edges, around the corners, as best as you possibly can. And that's for the back side of the ribs. That's the back side, right? I think so. And then I just go in with a knife and poke some holes in that, and that's just to make sure that when the seasoning starts to set in and seep through, that it really gets into those holes. All right, now we're going in with our powdered seasonings, and in this, you know, I have some onion powder, some garlic powder, some Tony's Creole, some Sloppy Mama, some pimento, a little bit more ginger because this is pork, so I like to put some more ginger in it. This has ginger powder and all the good stuff. You can check out the description box for that. And we're just going to tap that onto the pork. We're not going to rub it. We already rubbed the wet seasoning. So for the green one, for the dry seasoning, we're just going to tap that onto the meat. So we don't want to rub, as it's going to turn into little balls and just be gone. So we're just going to tap that in. And as usual, we're going to flip that over to the other side and show it the same love and affection, equal rights and justice. And for that, I'm just going to speed that up because you already saw me do it just now on the other side. And once again, that's all done, and we're just finishing up tapping in the rest of the dried seasoning, the dried powdered seasoning, and that's how the ribs are looking. Don't that look good? It's well seasoned. And now I'm just going in with some foil paper. You can put parchment in it if you would like. Original, that's what I wanted to do, but I changed my mind. You don't have to do this. So I just wrapped it in some foil paper, and then I'm just going in with a few slices of butter. That's going to give it a good flavor right there. Butter makes everything better. Butter better. Okay, so just putting some butter on that, and then I'm just wrapping it up real nice. and tie it as best as I possibly can. And of course, I do it to the other piece. I wrap it up, and you can leave this to marinate for a while, for 2 hours, and then you can go outside and put it on the grill, even for 1 day if you like. Makes it even better. Anyways, I put this on the grill, I close it down, and it's gonna be in there for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and then they will be ready to come out, and then they will be getting done outside of the foil paper. So I take them out of the foil, and as you can see, it's all cooked in there, juice dripping out and everything, and we're just going to lay them on the grill by themselves. And as you can see, I'm testing it, and the tongue went right through. That's how tender it is already. You can see that it's cooked already, so you just want to test it to make sure that it's cooked. Then I'm going in with some Neil Brothers barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. As I always say, whatever floats your boat. But I'm going in today with the Neil Brothers barbecue sauce. Absolutely, it's a sweet and spicy one. And I'm just going to do the insides of the rib first. Making sure I have a nice coat right there. And then I'm going to flip that over so it can face the heat, and the sauce can start sticking to the meat. And then I'm doing the other one. This is the big one. And you just put the barbecue sauce over it real nice and good, trying to get every crevice and every corner. This meat was handling me, okay? That big one, it was trying to handle me. Anyway, so now I'm doing the outside of the ribs. And this is the final part. This is where you want to make sure you got the most sauce. You just want to lather it on there. Look at that. It's looking nice and thick. And then after that's done, I'm just going to close it down for another 10 minutes to get the sauce stick on the meat. And now we're here. We're finally here. It's all done. Look at that. It fell apart. That's how tender this rib was, okay? And it's all done. And I'm going in for the cut. Tell me, you see how easy that knife went through? That meat was so tender. It was just absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm just going in for a piece here to show you how lovely it's looking once again. Absolutely delicious. The meat was coming off the bone. As you can see, I'm about to take that piece right out, and it came out pretty easily. Now, if you think that's looking good, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button, the thumbs up button. And it's time for your girl to smash. I'm gonna eat and enjoy this. Alright guys, so here I am. Finally for the taste test. The ribs, the way they just be falling off the bones, let me tell you, I'm so excited to eat. I can already get a taste of it like I did, you know I did. And it's absolutely so delicious. Listen, and these bees, they're coming for me out here. Okay? They smell the food. So if you see me fanning anything, that's what's going on. But look at that. So good. So tender, so flavorful, absolutely delicious. The green seasoning, a bit of that jerk sauce, bringing the heat, the sweet barbecue. All right, listen, you have to try this. Let me go in for the taste test. It's too good. Absolutely amazing. gotta give it a try. Hope you try it out. If you like pork, I guess. Anyways, I hope you give it a try. So tasty and delicious. It came out so tender and nice. Some of them even came out without the bones. Okay? When I cut it, the bone just slipped right out of there. It's that tender. So, absolutely amazing. If you love pork ribs, then check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Love. Bye. God bless you. Love you guys. Peace.